Welcome to MB Shoe Doc, where we explore the world of quality dress shoes for men. We will cover the art of patina and shine, learn to care for our shoes, review the brands that you love, and introduce brands that you've never heard of. Hello, my friends. Another new brand to introduce to you today, an unboxing video. Galea Bespoke Shoemaker. So this is a new brand. They are out of Spain. They were founded in 2018, but they really didn't start selling the shoes until 2019. So I've been dealing with Fernando, who is the manager, who is a lawyer and kind of worked business law, as well as he's teamed up with Alfonso, who is the shoemaker, also a lawyer, but then studied shoemaking in Barcelona. Just looking at the box, yeah, it's just kind of a unique thing. You know, nice thick box lid here. So small design detail, but it's just kind of nice. And also just really sturdy. The sturdiness of this box is actually pretty impressive as well. Enjoy fur. So that's Fernando. He's got a little business card for him here. And very nice, kind of unique feel to these shoe bags. And you can see the Galea Bespoke here. Let's take a look. Now this is the Terra Nova, and this was from their ready-to-wear line, but I ordered it in tan and had them do a custom patina on it. Absolutely beautiful. I love how this turned out. It looks fantastic. Let's take a look at the other one here. Move this box out of the way. So their style is they kind of blend Spanish and English kind of designs in their shoes. So this is their split toe derby, 3 eyelet derby. I like the flat laces here as well. Beautifully done apron on here. These are Goodyear welted, and really just about all their shoes are Goodyear welted. Nice Vibram sole, so this will be great for the fall here in some wet weather. Cool logo, really nice padding on the insole here as well. Fudging is really fine and nicely detailed. Nice stitch density here on the uppers as well as on the sole. I like this kind of subtle detail here that goes around this little seam. It kind of blends in there. It's very nice. So again, it's Fernando and Alfonso. Alfonso studied in Barcelona. He worked for Norman Vilalta, who is a well-known famous shoemaker as well. And again, this is from their ready-to-wear line. They also have a bespoke and a handmade line as well that are both completed just in the workshop alone. The rest are produced off-site in Inca, Mallorca, and then they finish the patinas and shine in their workshop in Barcelona. I don't know where this particular one comes from, but all the leathers, they're using the top tanneries. So they use Annonay, Dupuy, Charles Steed, Zonta. Really impressive top tanneries. And yeah, the patina work on this one, really great. I love kind of the lighter tones and the darker tones. They did absolutely perfect. It's exactly what I envisioned with these. A few other things to point out. Look how tight this heel is to the upper. Really beautifully done there. And just actually a beautiful stacked leather heel. I really like the way this looks. The color of it looks great with the uppers. And again, the small details like the flat laces is a nice touch there. And the lining really feels quite nice. You can tell it's a higher quality than their standard interliner, and the padding as well on the inside. Absolutely gorgeous. So Galea Bespoke, worth checking them out. I believe the retail cost on this particular pair is about $460, and I would say that they are absolutely worth it. Really top quality. Beautiful. Thank you guys so much for these. I will have them on my feet soon.